What's up, man? It's OG Drip, man. You're new to that channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button, man, and hit that bell. Yo, this is the channel where we talk about how to utilize energy to a day-to-day basis and learning how to manifest things. Because you know what I'm saying? Who don't want to bring in the things that they actually want? So today we're talking about Saturn being in Gemini. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, go catch up. And I also do more than just astrology videos. So I advise you to go through them as well if you're new to the channel. And if you're already part of the soul group, I'm going through this, y'all, so we can start building up, basically teaching everybody so we can be on the same path. So when we go through the day-to-day energy and the week-to-week and the month time and of knowing what's going on, we'll be able to talk about it without us being left behind. And that's how I feel about it. You know, I can't vouch for everybody else, but I don't want to leave nobody in this soul group behind. You know what I'm saying? We all this one unit, and we're going to keep it pushing. So, man, today, when you think about Saturn being in Gemini, just as if when you was born, that's what I meant by it. You think about, you being very communicative by being Gemini, but then you think about Saturn being the direction of communication. So Saturn is being like the focus in on it. That's how I'm going to say it. So Saturn give you stability, right? So if you think about a Gemini is normally a scattered brain type of person. So they normally, like to go from path to path to path to path. And nothing is wrong with that. But anytime that you have Saturn in there, it just helped them be able to collect the information more better. So it basically is like stabilized information. So where you have, like, if you have Saturn in Gemini, you will be the type of person that do not get overwhelmed by too much of information, too much of data, trying to process, things through your mind too fast at a rapid speed. You know what I'm saying? You very good at breaking down information and observing and stuff like that. So it's because it's all about communication. You know what I'm saying? So if somebody teaching you something, you're able to take it in a little quicker. Especially, you know what I'm saying, Saturn being there is sometimes, although that may be your strong point, it's also your weak point. I know it sounds funny, but now if you think about it, when Saturn is in Gemini, you have, you know what I'm saying, as a Gemini, like I say, you got multiple different paths and stuff you like to take. But when Saturn there, it kind of like straighten down and narrow down this one specific way of thinking or this one path that you have to take. So you get what I'm saying? You are the type of person that basically feel like you have to take this one path of the information and stuff that you collected. But you gotta keep in your mind, although Saturn is trying to direct you there, you have to learn how to know that one path is not the answer. Different paths of knowledge will help you get rid of inner fear. You know what I'm saying? Because you build inner fear when you start building doubt. And you know what I'm saying? That's why I always, on my channel, I say, no fear here. You know what I'm saying? You got to get rid of fear, because fear start making you have self-doubt. And now that being your mind, you being a mental sign, and being that you're a stable mental sign, you don't want that to be stable in the wrong way. You don't want to be stuck in your head. Basically what I'm saying is that you cannot do something. You know what I mean? Because you will be the type of person that really hard, like really applies to. So you need to know to, instead of just coming through, say if you collected all this information and things, and the what you're trying to get accomplished still didn't work, like throughout life, you have to figure out another way of gaining information and stuff outside of that path. So outside of a different experience, and learn that experience was just a way of helping you build confidence and learning how to get around your fear. You get what I'm saying? So now once you got another path going, even if you was to be stopped there, you kind of already know, like, okay, if I be stopped at this path, it's nothing to build another one. So it start opening up your energy, and you will see that things start working out better for you. You get what I'm saying? Because you could be kind of like, I'm gonna say, like stubborn to a certain path. Like if you got all the information, like, oh no, this proof that this path is the correct way. Sometimes it's better to get information about other paths and try to take a little step towards other paths. Do not get too focused. So remember that. So with Saturn being there, it makes you very focused. Instead of you being able to be direction and very communicative, it kind of make you too focused in. So sometimes, you know what I'm saying, it's not good to be over focused, and that's what that would bring. So narrow it down and try to remember that it's not just one way to get something done. There's always other options. There's always other ways out there. And man, I'm out. OG Drip.